So as you can all see, I've opened my Revit, and this is the interface that pop up after opening my Revit. This is the interface. So from here we have the recent files. If you want to know more about Revit, or you have something to know about Revit, you click here. Then maybe some essential skills videos, getting started videos, and maybe if you want to learn more about Revit. These are the recent files that if you work on something recently, Revit will let you have access to them. It will bring them to this place. And this side is for the models or the projects that you are working on. And this is for the families. If you work on a recent family, maybe you created a new family in some few days, this is where they will be displayed. Over here, if you come, we still have it in two categories. We have the model side and the families side. Whenever we come here, you see open over here. So let's say you create a project. Maybe you were working on some project, you open a project and you start working on it before maybe you went to do something, or you close it. And now you want to work on the same project. You come here open, then it will pop up. Then you browse for your projects and open it, and you continue with whatever you were doing before you close. Then down here we have a new project. Let's say you want to start new project, as what we will be doing, because we are all beginners. So we will create a new project. So this is new. Then this is families. Maybe you want to create a family down for yourself. So anytime you need it, you just go there, open it, and use it. So maybe this one too, if you want to create new, you come here and click on the new. If you already have one that you were creating before, maybe you close it and you come here. So let's go and open our new project, create a new project. Even the mouse will help you. So we open. So if you come here, we have templates. Revit comes with some templates. You have structural templates, architectural templates, mechanical templates, construction templates. Let's say we click on the top down arrow. So we have construction templates, architectural templates, structural templates, and mechanical templates, depending on what you want to do. Maybe you want to do some structural drawings, you pick your structural template. If you want to do construction drawing, you go with your construction template. Architectural drawing, you go with your architectural template. So in this our case, let's say we will go with something. Let's just maintain the construction template like this as it is. Let's say, for example, you create a template. You yourself, you create a template for your project, so that anytime you want to draw, you just use that template. You will just come here to the browser, you will browse it, then it will take you to your files. You browse through them and pick your template. Why is it that you don't want to go by the Revit template, and you yourself will be creating a template? Maybe someone may want to know. You see, when it comes to Revit, if you create a new, maybe this construction template, this template is what the Revit give you. Maybe some things that you want in that template, you may not get it. So let's say if you create the template, you look some of the things, you load them into your template, so that anytime you are drawing, there will be no need for you to go back searching for them, because you have them in the template already. Let's say maybe you want some door or some roofing tile or something else. You've already have it in your template. So there is no need for you to go back looking for it, to copy it somewhere and come and paste it into your drawing before you continue drawing. So that's why people have been creating a template. So over here we go, we maintain our construction template, then we press OK. So if we play, we press OK, this is the interface that will pop up for us. This is how the Revit looks like. So this is where we will be doing our drawing. This is the workspace. This is where we will be doing our drawing. Then this is the taskbar up here. Then we have our ribbons. These are our tools that we will be using along whenever we are drawing. These are some of the tools that we have as beginners. I would like us to know maybe some of the few tools that as a beginner you will be using. So if we come here, you can see two plates over here, two palettes over here. Let's say this is the first one. This is your project browser. This is where you can be able to maybe move or navigate. You organize. This organize your projects. You come and browse through your project. Maybe you want to go to ground floor, first floor. This is where you come and pick them. If you want your elevations, you come here and open your elevation. So this is just a summary of your whole project. So maybe if you want to browse through your project, maybe the first floor, ground floor, you will come here. At the top over here, this also displays your current space for you. So this is more like a guide. If maybe, for example, let's say we open level 1, level 2, north, south, and west, you could see that it is arranging all of them at the top over here. So maybe if they are open, these are the workspace that are open down for us. So maybe if you want to go to south, there is no need for you to come back to your project browser to come and look for south and open it because it is already open. So you just click on it, then it will take you to your south workspace. Maybe you want to go to do something at your level 2 or level 1, you just come here, click on it, then it will take you to your level 1. So basically, this also helps when you want to move around your workspace. If you still on the project browser, you can see a whole lot of things over here. We have the sheets, the schedules, families, groups. So maybe if you want to create or load a family into your project, maybe there are so many ways of loading your family into your project. One way is for you to come to the families down here and come and load it. I will not say much about that because there will be a different video on that topic also. So detail one of course. So watch out for my videos. Let me just keep it over here for now. Then we have the property palette. The property palette displays information about an element or whatever you are working on. So for example, let's say we click on our wall over here, right? Let's say we click the wall. You will see that it comes here wall and it even shows basic wall. And it will allow you to do any adjustment that you want to do to this wall. You can be able to do all of them over here. Either you edit it or anything you want to do to this wall, you come here and do it. So let me just delete the wall. So let me bring my project browser here.
Stay tuned for more Revit tips and tricks. Subscribe and like for more updates.